Hey guys, welcome back to Rock On Silly Kids, and on Rock On Silly Kids today, I'm going to be doing some BuzzFeed. So, I'm going to do 4 BuzzFeeds today. If you guys want to see more BuzzFeeds, go over to my personal channel, Presley Jordan, and there's some BuzzFeed on there. So, let's go, beep beep. Alright. Whoa, what? Okay. Yeah. Create the perfect smoothie and Whoa, sorry, my cat's food went off and it terrified me. Create the perfect smoothie and we'll reveal what people find most attractive about you. Pick a berry. Blackberries. Pick a fruit. Kiwi. Pick a vegetable to add. No thanks. Pick something to thicken it up a bit. Coconut milk. Pick a leafy green. Mint, kale, spinach. Pick something for a bit of an added pinch. Protein pack. No. Ginger. Pick something to mix it all with. Milk. Pick something to drink it out of. A bottle. Like that. You got your kindness. People are intimately drawn to your generosity, empathetic soul. You treat everyone with equal kindness. Okay? Guess that works. The next quiz is, can we guess which city you've always wanted to move to based on the desserts you pick? The city I always have wanted to move to or travel to is Japan. Like I want to move to Japan. I don't want to move there, but I want to go there. Pick a cake. That. Pick a cupcake. That. No, that. That. I don't like frosting. Pick something chocolate. Those. I love those. Pick some ice cream. That. Pick a dessert. Those. I love those. Los Angeles! Los Angeles. I mean, I want to go to LA, but I don't want to live there. Okay, I guess that's what they thought I wanted to do. Which Quidditch team do you belong on? Okay. I know I said that wrong. Just what kind of games do you like? A rough, well-played game with a lot of challenge, a dirty one with sides giving everything they got, a close one where both teams are evenly matched, a clean one where no one gets hurt. When you're matched up against a team twice as good as yours, you get their get their seeker and leave so they forfeit the game. Compliment them the way through and shake their hands at the end of the game. Try hard and know that you gave it your best. Scream at your team and yell and whine or tell them to win or to die trying. Probably this one. Okay, the opponent has just knocked out your seeker on purpose. You knock them out, call for a timeout so you can get your teammate to the hospital wing, call a foul, try to get the assault punished by a teacher. I don't know. Okay, that one I guess. You catch your seeker doing something against the rules. You tell a teacher immediately, even if it means not being able to play for the rest of the year. Pinky swear you won't tell anyone. Blame it on someone else. Find a crafty way to smooth things over that you can involve that one. You would try out because your crush is on the team captain. I don't have a crush. You've been practicing all summer and working very hard. Sometimes something new is never to be avoided. I want to win the cup. Something new is never to be avoided. That one. Your room is best for you. The Fireball, Nimbus 2000, and Nimbus 2001. Anything a clean sleep would do. I don't know. Let's go that one. If you lose, it doesn't matter. The game was fun. It was good fun, and you can't wait to play them all anyway. Congratulate the other team. Moment at your team and make them work harder ever than before. Roll your eyes and leave the pitch. Congratulate the other team. Who would watch you while you play? I don't need it to be watched to feel supported. Everyone in my year, aka my friends. That one. How do you express happiness after winning a game? A keen smile with a bow, a little dance. I won! We won! It was nothing. Keep a keen smile and bow. Okay, do you think you would be a good... Uh, if I practiced hard. I'm a Ravenclaw! You play for fun, and you do not take losses to heart. You are noble and respect others. You do not brag or mope about losses or wins. I love Ravenclaw. Okay. The last one is choose between these foods and we'll tell which SpongeBob character you are. Pick a type of pizza, sausage. Pick a type of burger. Chicken sandwich. Pick an ice cream flavor. Cookies and cream. Pick a cake flavor. Red velvet. Pick a fruit. Kiwi. Pick a vegetable. Corn. Pick a cookie. A macaron. I love those things. Cries. You got plankton. You try your best, but don't usually succeed. You have a love-hate relationship with everyone, but you just want a successful life, and your friends are equally petty to each other. You hate them when family comes to visit. This is not a true. This is definitely not true. I'm retaking this quiz. Pizza, sausage, burger, uh, other, ice cream, other. Pick a cake flavor. Chocolate. Pick a fruit. Blueberry. Pick a vegetable. Peas. Pick a cookie. Oreo. I got Sandy! Okay. You are very smart, but people sometimes question your intentions. You love your home and will defeat it. You are very cranky when you are woken up early. Some of that's true, but okay. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!